Hey everyone, welcome to the Aura tutorials. Today we are going to find emails for the company's stakeholders and decision makers. So this is the Aura dashboard, and let's go to the sidebar and click on Finder and select People. Here we can use our own prompt based on our requirement. We also have a few ready-made examples based on your ICPs below for quick access. But for now, let's use this ICP and hit Enter. And here we go. Aura search is already started and result will appear here. Aura has automatically applied the most relevant filters for this search. Let's wait a few seconds for the results to load. Perfect. We found a total of 2,200 people. Now let's select all of them and add them to a list. Here we need to create a new list. For example, let's name it Leads Email and click Create. Now select the list and click on the Add button. Our list has been successfully created. Next, go back to the sidebar and select Lists. Here you'll find the saved list we just created. Let's open it. These are all the company records inside the list. Now switch to the People tab. From here, select all the contacts and click on Find Emails. Oppora AI will now use multiple data sources and intelligent tools to find verified email addresses. Go ahead and click Find Emails. Now Oppora AI will continue working in the background and start processing the email search. This may take a few moments depending on the number of contacts being processed. And that's it. Once the process is complete, your data is ready and you can easily export everything into an Excel file.